I made a mistake. Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer and I am a retired permanent makeup artist and also a proud affiliate of BioTouch. Today I want to tell you a story. It's a personal experience of something that happened a few years ago, about maybe a decade ago actually, and it was a mistake I made. No one told me. No one told me that there were counterfeit products out there. So how was I supposed to know? I went and I found a really good deal on BioTouch Pigments. And I went ahead and stocked up. But when they came in, I noticed something was off about them right away, just went from looking at them. But I had to take a really close look to figure out what it was. So let me show you. One of my favorite colors, this is the real one. You always want to study the real, legit, authentic product so that you can be able to recognize what counterfeit is. So this was the real deal, and it's light brown from BioTouch. And this is what I got. So just to show you the difference. Can you see that the logo? First of all, okay, the colors are way off. This is light brown, okay? It says so on the bottle. And this is light brown. And they're not. This is dark. This is not the color. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that the bottle it's similar, but it's different though. Like this cap is smaller than this one. And when I opened it, ooh, that one was brand new. And I smelled it. It smells a little bit like a mechanic shop. I don't know. Anyways, needless to say, I knew these were fake. And so thankfully I was able to return or get a refund on my investment. But I decided not to throw them away because I was thinking maybe they could be useful for something crafty, to tint or paint an inanimate object, not a human. And so I would say about 10 years later, I would like to show you what I was able to do with them. I wanted to see if I could stain a wooden table, and check it out. Okay, I wanted to reassure you, don't worry. This will probably never happen to you. If you always shop directly from the official source or any of their verified distributors, you're good. Also, when you have experience using a specific product, it's easy to recognize a fake. But I was wondering, what if a beginner got a hold of these? They wouldn't know the difference and would probably use them on a client, which would not be safe. But can you imagine the results? Would be terrible. And the brand's reputation would be tarnished as well. So this is why I'm spreading the word. But here's another clue. Notice how these pigments shoot out like liquid paint. They are so liquidy. The real pigments are creamy in consistency. So that's another way to confirm the fakes. Okay, so obviously these are not suitable for micropigmentation, but how would they hold up as a wood stain, I wonder? You want to find out? Let's go do a little experiment. Come on. I hope the process is as easy as I expect it to be, but all I'm doing is using a sponge brush to dip into the paint and apply it onto the wood without any technique at all whatsoever. Just slap it on there, look at it. Oh, it's looking bad. So I'm going to take a rag and see if I can spread the paint around and remove the excess. And it still looks ugly. Oh, let's just keep on going, okay? Trust the process. I'm just going to make sure that I apply paint onto every nook and cranny and continue on removing the excess with the rag afterwards. And please ignore my mom's thumb on the left bottom corner of the screen. After we're done with this, let it dry overnight and let's see. Oh no, what are those spots? It's just sunshine. Oh, I'm not as funny as I think I am. But anyways, what do you all think? I love it. I really like this color, even though I did not intend on it being so red, such a reddish shade. But I really like it now, and I feel like it blends better with being out here. What did you bring me?
I have a personal key lime pie.
No way!
Yes way.
Wow! I didn't even plan this. Thanks. Ooh, it was hot out there, but I hope you had as much fun as I did. And I'm curious, have you ever had a bad experience with counterfeit products? Please let me know in the comments below. What did we learn today? Let's see a side-by-side comparison of the table, and I think the fake pigments are definitely good enough for a wood stain. For clients though, no. This is actually a very serious topic. When shopping for permanent makeup, pigments, quality, safety, and professional standards should be our main focus, not price. So with that in mind, let's talk about BioTouch pigments. They are made with high quality ingredients, extensively tested in labs, proven safe, and FDA compliant. Unfortunately, though, their popularity has led to the rise of counterfeit pigments made by dishonest sellers, most of which are in China. So, if it's shipped from China, don't buy it. Ooh, we got a box. Let's see what's in it. They're so different. I can't believe it. I went through all that work making that video about the packaging, and we have totally new packaging. This is so exciting. Okay, this is the light brown, the new one. And there it is. There's no mistaken. We have a stamp at the top of the bottles, and we also have this code in the back for authenticity, and so that there is not going to be any need for us to become detectives anymore. So sweet. Thanks, guys. When I made that video and they saw it, they just told me that they had to send me something first before I finished the video, and they didn't tell me what it was. They just said they were going to send pigments that had new authenticity codes, but they did not say that the bottles would be completely different or anything like that. So I was shocked. Anyways, this is really good news, okay? And I'm glad you are never going to have to worry about buying counterfeit pigments. Now for the real deal, I encourage you to go straight to the BioTouch store and use my code GEN20 for 20% off. And guess what? The first 3 pigments are on us. Yes, that's right, for a limited time, so hurry up and go shopping. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was entertaining as well as informative and maybe inspirational even. With a little color, you can enhance anything, whether it's a face, a wall, or a piece of furniture. See you next time. Bye. Wait, did I mention how much I appreciate your opinion? Please comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thank you for watching.